There's a lot of excitement surrounding a new tool called Chat GPT and its potential for making money online. In this video, I will present 6 different ways you can utilize this free tool to generate income. Having a virtual assistant like Chat GPT can be incredibly useful for various tasks, including helping you earn extra money online. So let's explore these 7 methods together. Before we delve into it, welcome to iNinja. This channel focuses on demonstrating how to make easy money by leveraging the latest AI technology. If you find this video valuable, please consider liking, subscribing, and enabling notifications to stay updated on new and popular money-making techniques. Let's talk about Chat GPT. It's an AI technology that has been receiving a lot of attention due to its versatility. It can assist you in writing emails for your boss, completing homework assignments, and even answering questions if you're at a bar. You can have conversations with it and treat it as a friend, although that might be a bit unsettling. However, today we won't be exploring those aspects. Instead, I want to show you how to use it to make money online. The first method involves a website called namingforce.com. This platform is where new businesses and companies go to find ideas for their brand names. They run contests, offering rewards of around $300 for the best name submitted. All you need to do is suggest different names, and if your idea is accepted and chosen, you can earn hundreds of dollars. By visiting the contest section, you can see examples of completed contests, such as those paying $500, $200, or $100 per name. If you visit namingforce.com and scroll down a bit, you'll find the winners section. There you can see people who have made hundreds, even up to $500 for a single name they submitted. To participate, simply ask Chat GPT for name suggestions for a specific business, like a barbershop. It will provide you with a list of potential names, and you can select the best one. Deliver it to namingforce.com, and you could potentially earn hundreds of dollars. For instance, Chat GPT might suggest names like The Classic Cuts, Sharp and Dapper, The Grooming Company, or even creative options like Fades and Blades. These are great name ideas that could potentially earn you a substantial payout when submitted to the contest. In this way, you can utilize Chat GPT to explore various business categories listed on namingforce.com and potentially earn hundreds of dollars with its assistance. As mentioned earlier, the second method for making money online involves writing assignments. If you're a student, you may prefer to complete your own homework, but there are others who are willing to pay for assistance. Studypool.com is a platform where students can seek help with their assignments and pay someone else to do the work for them. By visiting Studypool and clicking on Become a Tutor, you can join as a tutor and earn up to $7,500 per month. You'll be assisting students by answering their homework questions. For example, if a student needs an assignment about World War II, you can ask Chat GPT to generate the assignment for you. The AI will quickly provide a complete assignment, which you can then deliver to Studypool and get paid for. Depending on the complexity and length of the assignment, you can earn $30, $40, or $50. The content generated by Chat GPT is of high quality, as it conducts thorough research and delivers valuable information. It's recommended to submit this high-quality content back to Studypool and profit from it. This serves as the second way to make money using this AI bot. The third method involves creating YouTube videos, specifically faceless or automated videos, or any type of YouTube content in general. You can run your own YouTube channel and monetize it through CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, brand deals, or promoting your own products. To simplify the process, you can ask Chat GPT to write YouTube scripts for you. For example, you can request a script on 5 facts about cats, and Chat GPT will generate the script for you. You can use this script to create an actual YouTube video, either by recording it yourself based on the outlined bullet points, or hiring a voiceover artist to bring it to life. The script can include an introduction and present the facts you requested. Another way to generate income is by selling articles. Websites like listverse.com provide a platform for sharing articles, particularly top 10 lists or interesting facts about various subjects, such as animals. By submitting an article to Listverse, you can earn $100 for each accepted article, typically around 1,000 words. You can visit the submission form on their website and submit your article there. This method offers another opportunity to make money using Chat GPT's generated content. You can browse and analyze articles submitted by others on websites like Listverse. By examining their content, you can gain insight into the types of articles that are accepted. When you find an article you'd like to write about, you can ask Chat GPT to generate an article on that topic. Once you have the article, you can submit it to Listverse and potentially earn $100. There are various other websites where you can make money by writing articles, such as TextBroker, Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. ChatGPT can assist you in producing high-quality and detailed articles. Another way to generate income by emailing businesses using this AI chatbot is by searching for businesses on Google, such as barbershops, restaurants, gyms, or gift shops in different locations worldwide. You can then collect the business's contact details, often found on their websites. Instead of writing the email yourself, you can ask ChatGPT to compose the entire email, pitching a service you want to sell. Utilizing these emails, you can reach out to different businesses and offer your products or services. The final method we'll discuss is selling services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer.com, and others. You can offer various services such as sales copywriting, writing and translation, transcription jobs, resume writing, translation, proofreading, and editing. ChatGPT can assist you in quickly providing these services, allowing you to deliver them efficiently on the freelancing platforms for a fee ranging from $20 to $50. Many people are unaware of the existence of AI bots like ChatGPT, so they may not utilize them for their own needs, providing an opportunity for you to offer these services. I hope you found this video valuable and learned something new. Please leave a comment to share your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, this is That AI Ninja signing off.